Hi everyone, I hope you're doing so well. I am vlogging this week. I am here in Williamsburg in Brooklyn. I haven't been spending that much time in the city lately, which honestly I really enjoyed, but while I'm here I want to take advantage. I have a lot of friends to see and catch up with, some yummy restaurants to go to. I just want to have a fun week, show you guys some of my favorite spots we can roam around. I also think I might chop my hair this week. I have just been craving change more than anything else lately. And my hair has gotten really long. It's almost down to my belly button, which is just too much. In the winter, I feel like it just gets so knotty. Any coats that I wear, scarves, and I just feel like my hair is kind of suffocating me and maybe I need to change. I haven't chopped my hair since 2019 when I was going through a breakup and I had it chopped to here. I don't think I want to go that short again, but I definitely want to change. Maybe you feel this way too if you have long hair, but I feel like it can really quickly become a security blanket when you've had it for a long time. You kind of hide behind your hair, covers up your outfits, covers up your body, your face. So maybe it's time for a fresh change. I also need to re-dye and tone my hair. I've been doing that myself and I have some roots right now. I'll probably do that this week as well. Quite rainy today, but it is a Sunday. I'd love to go out and explore a bit, so I'm going to take you guys along with that. I don't really have any particular plans, so I kind of just wanted to have a nice day to myself. Especially in winter, I found it so important to carve out those little pockets of time that are just for me, just for doing those little things I enjoy, going to that cute little coffee shop, maybe browsing furniture or vintage shops, even if I'm not planning on buying anything. It can be so easy in winter or when the weather's bad just to hibernate, and that's really not the best for me mentally. Recently, I was definitely going through a bit of a mental health spiral. I had to get myself back on meds and back in treatment, and it's helped so much. For years and seemingly most of my life, I've been on a roller coaster with depression and anxiety, trying to find new solutions, trying out different medications. But the real game changer has been therapy. It's given me the tools and skills to cope with everyday life, whether that's periods of transformation and change or moments of grief. Therapy has truly helped me so much, and that brings me to today's sponsor, which is BetterHelp. BetterHelp is a platform that offers a lifeline to those who feel that they are struggling alone. They understand that therapy is a vital tool for helping to deal with emotions that we're often not taught how to handle. With BetterHelp, it's incredibly simple. You can go to betterhelp.com/Kaylee and answer a few questions. They'll match you with a licensed therapist that's specialized in what you're going through, and they do this quickly, most cases within 48 hours, which is so amazing because if you've ever tried to find a therapist in person, maybe in your town, especially if you live in a smaller area, waitlists can be long and it can be a really daunting process. BetterHelp is great because you can start your journey to a happier, healthier life as soon as possible. BetterHelp offers flexibility to speak with your therapist in a way that suits you. You can communicate via phone call, video chat, or messaging, whatever you feel most comfortable with and what works with your schedule. I love it because it's therapy that fits into your life, not the other way around, which is so great if you're starting on this new journey and needing to build that new habit. It's great that BetterHelp makes it as easy as possible for you. So don't let the stigma around mental health stop you from seeking help. Therapy can help you understand yourself better and develop different coping strategies and ultimately lead a life that's right for you. And the best part is that you can begin this journey from the comfort of your own home. If this resonates with you, you can visit betterhelp.com/Kaylee. I'm gonna have that linked at the top of my description box. And with my link, you can get 10% off your first month. This is more than just a sponsorship for me. I hope that it can make a difference in your life, just like therapy did for mine. So thank you so much to BetterHelp for partnering with me on this video. Now I'm gonna go on a little rainy stroll around the neighborhood and take you guys along to some of my favorite spots. I'm wearing this Marine Serre cycling top with a blue button-up from Uncle Studios, a D-ring belt, baggy Goldie jeans, my mesh Gobaya flats. These might need to be changed because it's raining. I decided taking my car was more the move for today because it's so rainy. I just switched into some more rain appropriate clothes. This is a hat from Muji. I've never tucked it up like this before, but I kind of like it. And then this is my Rains bomber jacket. This is one of my favorite brands, especially for like outdoor waterproof gear. The first place we're going, which is another reason why I'm taking the car, because it's a little bit out of the way from other areas in Williamsburg and Greenpoint I want to go to. I am going to one of my new favorite furniture stores in the city. They mainly sell on Instagram, but now they have showroom days on the weekends as well, and it's called Good Behavior. They have a lot of beautiful wood vintage furniture, some mid-century modern pieces, some more like British traditional pine pieces as well, and their prices are really good. I'm dying to know where they're sourcing these things because I know the woman who owns it is upstate in my area a lot, and I assume that's where she's getting it. But I want to go check out their showroom because I'm always looking for new pieces for the house, and I wanted to share the business with you guys as well. I recently got some cane side tables from them that were super cute. So let's go. So everything's very stacked on top of each other in that shop. It's very small. They did have some cute things, nothing for me today. We're gonna go into my favorite coffee shop in the city. They also make a really good matcha and other drinks and little sweets, and it's called Rhythm Zero. It is the most beautifully designed coffee shop I've honestly ever been in. It tends to be really busy in there, so I'm probably not really going to be able to show the furniture, but I'll definitely insert some photos for you guys. But I love their matcha and I love the entire vibe of their business. I think they redesign the store seasonally and they sell off the vintage pieces that they have and then fill it with new pieces. I think it's a really cool business model to like have your own little cafe, but also be able to do your interior stuff and just to dabble in a lot of different areas. Okay, I need help. My puppy has ruined all my glasses. They're pretty destroyed. This is a pair that I haven't actually gotten my prescription lenses in yet, that I bought on the Essence sale probably a year ago now, and I've just been too lazy to go get them filled. They're Isabel Marant. They're really cute, but I'm not sure if they're like an everyday pair of glasses. These are my normal everydays that are pretty fucked, but I like the wire ones because they sort of blend into your face a bit better. But I do really like these. They feel a bit vintage, and I think the shape is quite flattering. You guys have to let me know what you think. My puppy fully ruined my other favorite pair of Balenciaga cat eye wire ones. I'll insert a photo. Those aren't coming back. And that's on having a 6-month-old puppy plus ADHD. That just makes me not realize that I take my glasses off sometimes. I didn't show you these, which are also very cool. The place that I go would change these, and I think a lot of places would, but they would change these into normal glasses for me too. And I like that they're a little smaller. They're very good as sunglasses too though, but they don't have my prescription in them either. You'll have to let me know what you think, and maybe we'll do it together in the next vlog. Tonight I wanted to make us a cozy comfort meal. If you've followed me for a while, you know I love making cheap ramen really good at home. So I'm starting with this mushroom base for the broth with chili garlic paste, edamame, broccoli. I use a cheap ramen noodle packet, but I don't use the powder that's included. I often add an egg, and it's so yummy. I'm about to head out to an evening yoga class. I haven't went to a proper yoga class since before my wrist surgery, and this is the first time I'm like feeling comfortable enough to go do that, so I'm super excited. I used to go to yoga like almost every day, and I hope it goes well.
100%.
out to meet some friends for some drinks. This is my look. I'm wearing this Paloma wool green knit hat with a blue button up, a vintage leather trench and bag, and my Goldie baggy jeans with Caperni boots. Those are definitely go-tos for going out. I'm running a little late, so I gotta get out of here. So IKEA just re-released some pieces from their 70s catalog that are incredible and at a really great price. If you guys are shopping for your home on a budget, I wanted to share these with you in case you haven't seen them. And I also feel like a lot of these pieces are going to sell out soon. First, I have these white and chrome side tables. I have really similar ones in my home that are black. Wish IKEA made them in black. They didn't. I'm sure you could probably paint these if you wanted to. I'm not sure exactly what kind of material it is and if you need to sand it. I would assume that you could if you use the right kind of product. I think these are so chic. It's not totally my style, but I love how they have it styled on the site. Vase, also from IKEA. I have a very similar vase and flower arrangement. Joking with my boyfriend that the IKEA product managers are looking at my Instagram and in our house with some of these products that they're releasing. These tables are only $80 and they're really great. I might be getting some for up here because we really need some more side tables. They also just released these corduroy cushion covers. These remind me so much of my Vetsac couch upstairs. It's like a higher level design couch. These cushion covers are just perfect and $20 if you like the look of that. They're also making a lot of beautiful cabinetry with this fluted glass finish. I liked this wall cabinet for a bathroom. It's $89.99. They also had some credenza and sort of console versions. Could also be cool in a kitchen. It gave me Reform Kitchen Reflect vibes a little bit for like 5% of the price. Sure, it's not as nice, but get the look for less. I really like this chrome table lamp. I would probably switch out the bulb personally myself for something more frosted to give off more of a warm glow. I don't really like these types of light bulbs, but this is a great lamp for $14.99. This beach and leather stool, I think the leather could look a little bit cheap. This is something I might want to see in person, but at $49.99, this stool is so cute. It looks like it would be in that store Lichen in Brooklyn. If you guys are in New York or if you follow them on Instagram, it's so their style. This pendant lampshade reminds me of my Herman Miller ceiling lights that I have in my apartment, but again, for a tenth of the price. The reviews say it's quite heavy and fragile, but I do feel like you can't really go wrong with a $40 ceiling light. I just wanted to share those pieces with you guys in case you're moving or just looking for some new furniture or little trinket pieces. They also had a lot of good like serveware and vases as well. You should just take a look through their new section.